I was trying to see how well y'all can see me. Okay, so let me move my phone. I was trying to see how well y'all can see me. Look like y'all can see me good. Okay, so let me get this along. Oh, I hate the little knots. Y'all know I have a lot of bathing suits. Oh, by the way, y'all gonna be seeing this a lot. This is from Romans, the terry cloth, out of the shower wrap that my mom got for me for Christmas. It's so comfortable and it's so convenient. So y'all will see this a lot, especially when I'm doing videos like this or try-ons. But I have so many swimsuits. The whole rack that I had hanging them up broke a while ago. Was supposed to do this. So I came across this on Walmart and Instagram. It was cheaper on Instagram. What the hell? Walmart and Amazon. It was cheaper on Amazon, so I got it from Amazon. They have different colors. So these are under the bed totes. Let me get the right name. It is jumbo under the bed, under bed bags. And it comes with a set of 2. It was $10. And they just slide right under the bed. So I don't have stuff under my bed. I got like personal stuff and my skates is under there, my personalized skates and pictures. That's about it. So I want to see if all my swimsuits is going to fit in these bags. That's the plan. So this is the swimsuits. I have it in a laundry basket, but they're all clean. But I had to make do with what I had. And I don't know if they're going to fit here, but I do have a, y'all know the bags that the comforters come in. I always keep them. So I have 1 or 2 of them. 1 of 2 of the comforter bags. So push come to shove, I'll just put the rest in here. Okay. This reminds me of my packing cubes for when I go on my vacation. Okay, it's pretty roomy. I guess it'll start forming once you start putting your swimwear in there. Of course, I'm going to speed some of it up, but I just wanted to show y'all. I probably do like how I did with the t-shirts, even though I didn't speed that up. I'm trying to think, should I do the roller method? No. I'll just fold each one together with the bottoms, and it'll make it much easier. Because y'all don't know what the hassle I go through looking for the matches, because they're all in this laundry basket. And they're all clean once again. I think I'm going to put the newer ones all together. The ones with the tags together and the ones that don't have tags together. Now, well, it shouldn't. I was going to say underwire ones with the big cups is going to be a problem, but no. It's pretty roomy. And then I'm going to just stack them too. These, I have the bottoms too. And they have the top on Poshmark and they have it on Forever 21. I want to get the top because they didn't have it in my size when I bought the bottoms. But they have it now, so I'm going to get it in this brand new. So put this over here. It's going to be with the brand new pile. It's one of my favorites. Y'all, this bag is almost full. I was thinking that I should have done it on the floor because it's going to be heavy. Heavy, heavy, heavy. I probably just have to slide it in. Hopefully all my folding don't go to waste. But I have 1, 2, 3 sections here, 3 sections here, 2 here, 2 here. I'm going to try to fit some on the side here. No, I am going to fit some on the side here. And I probably can fit some on the side there. I should be able to. Okay, y'all. So I caught myself fitting all of them in here, but I forgot that it have to slide under the bed. So this is too high. So I'm going to transfer some over here. I'm going to do 2 sections instead of 3 because it's meant to be 2. I don't know why I was trying to save space when I have 2. I bought 2. Well, it came with 2. So I was going to say I bought 2 for a reason, but it came with 2. I'm trying to make sure y'all don't see anything because this thing opens. All right. Ooh, that's going to fall. That's going to fall. Okay. Ooh. So, ooh. I didn't realize how many new ones I had. That I had so many new bikinis. All right, so you know what? This can slide over here like that. Okay. All right. Now, see these cups? This what's going to do. It's some still works out. This one has a lot. Ooh, it's heavy. Voila. Y'all, I'm out of breath. That was work. I had stuff under the bed that I forgot that I had under there. I had my boot rack, which should come out so I can put my boots on it. Whew. I have one of them boot racks that let me show y'all. It's like this. And it slides under the bed, and your boots is for tall boots. They just slide on. Child, when I tell you that was work, but both of them is under there. I was going to show y'all me putting it under there, but that was too much work. I have to put the rest of these containers back under there. I had like 2 containers. But anywho, if y'all like this video, please like it. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Hit the notification bell so you know when all my videos are coming out. Share this video so someone else can see how I organize my swimsuits. Leave me a comment, let me know how y'all like this video. Until next time, I love you guys, y'all. Bye, my fashion dolls. Bye, y'all.